Let's do simple eyeshadow. We're gonna need a tape, any tape you have. Place it the way I placed it. Then we're going in with a dark purple eyeshadow. Place it on the outer part of our lid. So I'm going to place it bit by bit. I don't want too much product, we're just using little product. Blend in well, just blend. After that we are heading to the other eye. There are two types of eyeshadows. There is shimmer eyeshadow and matte eyeshadow. The shimmer eyeshadow are the eyeshadow, when you look at your eyeshadow and you see it's shiny, that's shimmer. But the eyeshadow that is not shiny, it's called matte. So the two colors I'm using, the purple I've used and the green that I'm placing on my inner corner, they are shimmer. Both of them are shimmer eyeshadows. Then the transition that I'll use, it will be matte. I'm going to show you the matte eyeshadow I'm talking about. So I'm just blending in well. I want to blend in well so that the colors will blend in well together. I don't want to see a line in between the two colors. Just keep on blending. The secret to eyeshadow is blending. But then guys, this eyeshadow is looking even better in person than on my camera. Don't have that quality camera, but you can get the idea. It's looking good. Blending well. Then after that I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. That's the matte color I was talking about, the matte eyeshadow. You're going to place it just above the two colors and below our eyebrow. Blend in well. See the color it's bringing. The same color you can use it as your blush. I use this color as my blush. Blend in well. It's matte, it doesn't have any shine in it. You can download this video and use it later if you want. And by the way, my name is Wendy DIY. You can even subscribe to this channel for more videos. Like it and comment too. Then we are going to use the same transition color on my other lid. Blend it well. After that I'm going to use another color. I'll use a yellow color. We are placing it just below our eyebrow and then blend it well into our previous transition color. Blend in well. The yellow eyeshadow is also matte. It doesn't have any shine in it. Like in all your transition colors, you should be using matte colors. Don't use the shiny colors. Then after that, I'm going to put this shimmer on top of my eyeshadow on the middle part of the lid. The way I'm placing it, I'm just placing it with my my finger. I'm going to remove the tape. That's how it's looking. I will be showing you how to do a winged eyeliner on the next video. Thank you so much for trusting the process. See you on my next video. Bye.